right, y'all. I am back with another video. Y'all know how I love to say that. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I want to do another hair video, so make sure you go ahead and like this video. Give me a thumbs up for now. Put me some comments in the bottom if you guys have any questions about anything I'm talking about today. And then, of course, you want to go ahead and share this, subscribe it, share it on your timeline, whatever you want to do. Anyway, y'all see I'm touching my hair. Y'all see I'm touching my hair. Y'all see I'm touching my hair. All right, y'all. So I had to do this video today. I am loving this hair. Okay, y'all. Like, if you've seen some of my videos in the past, you know I love me some crochet hair. Even though lately I've been doing a lot of videos with, the how-to and the podcasting. Your girl is back on the hair tip. Okay, because, I had my box braids in for like the last few videos, and then I did my curly doos, but those are like my standard hair that I just keep going back and forth purchasing. But today, this is Paradise Twist. Okay, so I just moved to Rochester, and you guys, you've seen my video before when I did my video where I lived in New Rochelle. But I just moved to Rochester literally a week ago. This is probably my second time being here. I kind of lived here back in 2016, but we are back. So I'm going to be making a video on that, the moving video, apartment tour, all that good stuff. But as you can see, I am in a new space. I got a new desk, if you guys notice, all that good stuff. So we're going to do some videos on that. But I needed to sit down right now today and do a video about this hair. So I've been ordering my hair offline for months now because in New Rochelle, it ain't really been no like black beauty supplies there. Like, they're just not that big as I'm used to when I live in Detroit. Because, Detroit beauty supplies, them boys is huge. Like, you got hair all over the place. So I've been buying all my hair online. So I ain't really had a chance to really go into a beauty supply and touch the hair. At least not since I lived in Syracuse when before COVID or whatever the case would be. So we're going to talk about this hair today because I haven't seen a lot of videos on YouTube about this hair. A little mad about it, but it's okay. Only seen one person with this hair, and she did like a weird braiding pattern. And we all know that I ain't going for no more weird braiding patterns. I'm going to just stick to my straight to the back braiding pattern. We ain't doing that no more. But she had the 18 inches. So this that I have today is actually the 14-inch Paradise Twist. Okay, so let's go over complete overview of this hair and why I like it. So, one, I found this hair at a beauty supply in Rochester, New York. Can't remember the name of it, but my friend took me, and it was big, the good kind that's like right in the neighborhood. And so like, and it's basically they had hair all over the place, y'all. Like, I was there for probably about 45 minutes, which is a standard beauty supply visit for me. But all of their crochet hair in there was buy one get one 50% off. So it kind of went a little overboard, but for me, that's good. I'm able to get 2 or 3 hairstyles, different types of hair curls in there in order to make a video for you guys. So this hair is AfriNaptural. AfriNaptural. I always thought that word was natural. Naptural, and it's actually by Main Concepts. Like, I know Main Concepts make good wigs, so I kind of knew they were probably going to make some good crochet hair because I'm usually a Bobby Boss queen, but for some reason this store didn't have a lot of Bobby Boss. Then you had them Bobby Boss mini sister lock dreads, and I ain't really about that life yet. Anyway, so let's get it right into this video. First of all, my braiding pattern that I made for this hair is just straight to the back. I would say 8 to 9 braids straight to the back, and I really didn't want a completely straight middle part because they always give you that weird part that go all the way to the back and it end up, naked. So I made sure that I start braiding on the sides first so that the braids in the middle won't really have this perfect symmetry. You don't want a perfect symmetry. Trust me, you don't want it. So I braided it straight to the back. Of course, I dyed my hair first. As you guys can see, the blackness on these nails is not gone yet. But it's okay. Your girl getting a little gray hair. They run in my family to have a full gray hair, full head of grays before we get 50. And because your girl is knocking on the next century of my age range, I know I'm definitely going to be having a lot of grays. Anyway, went home and dyed my hair black so that I can do this mixture. So I've never bought this hair before. I am one of those people who can walk in a beauty supply and be like, oh, I had that. Oh yeah, I remember how that one worked. Woo, 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 woo. But this hair, I've never had this hair. It looks a little bit like a passion twist. It looks like it could be like a kinky twist. It looks like any of those twist hair, but it really is just an individual curl, like an individual thick curl, like say, like a water wave, right? Let's say you took a strand of water wave curl. If you do a lot of crochet, you know what I'm talking about. Let's say you took a strand of water wave curl and just curled it. That's how this is. Like I literally can probably take this from the end and untwist it because it is literally just a curl twisted. But let me let y'all understand something. So I'm going to show y'all this hair so y'all can see it. That is the 20-inch and at the top is the 14. The reason why I like this hair is because it just feels nice. It's one of those hairs, it reminds me of braids. So I could put it up like this and take the hair to make a bun and it'll stay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Or I love to part it straight to the back because you got this side. You can flip it to this. See that? I can flip it, make my hair like this, right? Or I could just take it straight up like this and just make me a straight bun, and I use the hair to twist it. See, when the hair is like kinky like this, it's easier to make those buns and ponytails without having to get a rubber band, because I ain't putting no rubber band in no synthetic crochet hair. So what do I love about this hair? It is perfect. It feels nice. It's nice and soft. You know, I just love it, y'all. I don't know why, but I just love it. When I seen the other girl did her hair, she did it where she braided a lot of little small braids and then did it in a big braid. But the issue with that is it made the center look kind of thin and flat. And so if I cut this down the center, as y'all can see, it is an open part, but it's not flat. Like, it'll never be super flat. So I could do it like this, but see how it's still thick right here? The way hers looked was a little bit too spaced out for me. So I've discovered in all of my years of doing crochet, the smaller the braid, right, the more likely you won't have so many empty spaces, right? So you see people do these crochet braids and they're like, oh, just braid it straight to the back, 8 big braids, 8 jumbo braids, and it look amazing. But no, that doesn't work for me. I don't really think that works. It leaves a lot of these big holes and big gaps. You do bigger braids when you have that thick hair, the thick looped hair, right? Or maybe if you, I don't know. I don't suggest big fat braids ever unless you put a wig on. When you do crochet braids, my number one tip I will always tell people, when you do crochet braids, the smaller the braids, the better. Because if these was any bigger, just imagine if these was any bigger, you would have seen a big old rectangle here, and then all of these crochets would have been around it. And I just don't really care for that big bulky look. Because back in the day, when I was younger, people used to do crochet in the 90s, and people had like 5 big fat braids. Yes, y'all, 5 big fat braids, and then the braids would be all crocheted on this one fat braid, and it used to be looking dumb. So you want to completely avoid that. Small braids make your crochet look better. So the color I have in my hair is a 1B, and also a 1B33 or 1B30. Yeah, and a 1B30. So I kind of mix some of the light browns. You can probably see some of the light brown in there because I wanted to mix a little color but keep it light. And of course I had to do the baby hairs because I'm about that baby hair life. I don't care what nobody say, but I need my baby hairs. But yeah, love this hair. AfriNaptural Paradise Twist, 14 inches. This is how 14 inches look. Turn around, show you guys how the back look. See how the back look? 14 inches, and it actually was buy one get one free. So buy one get one 50% off. So each pack was $10.99. Second pack was like $5.50, $6 or something like that. Anyway, so that's my colors. This is the curl. Check it out if you see it in your beauty supply. I use 6 packs. You need 6 packs of this hair if you want to do it like this. If you got a smaller head, you probably can do less packs. If this look like too much hair to you, you can probably do less packs, but I don't like gaps. So when you look at my hair in between on one line, ain't no gaps, and I don't like gaps. So 6 packs for me is the minimum. I wouldn't do anything less than 6 packs if you ask me. At least if you did buy 6 packs and you don't use them, then over time, if it starts to get loose, you can always use the extra packs of hair to tighten it up. One thing I love to do is, over time when it starts to get loose, I can always bring more twist to the end to tighten it and make it like brand new, like kind of fresh again. Last but not least, I'm just going to tell you guys how to maintain this hair. So how I maintain it is I basically put this hair up at night into one big old ponytail, basically, or bun, or whatever you want to call it. I do this with a felt like band. I don't see it around here, but I just put this all up in a ponytail. Then I tie my silk do-rag about it. You don't want any of the ends hanging out. Again, this is synthetic hair, y'all. Don't play yourself. But you don't want your ends hanging out because you want them at least try to stay a little fresh. So that's how you tie your hair up. I don't never really put anything on my braids or my hair, but a little oil never hurt nobody. Either spray oil or you can just put some regular castor oil. I try to put some castor oil on my edges so they can stay growing. Anyway, this is the hair, you guys. I told you guys my braiding pattern, the name of the hair, the colors, how to maintain it, and again, this is only day 1, so you guys will see how long I have this hair in my head over the next few weeks. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions that you want to say about this hair or any thoughts about this hair, let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys next week with another video. I'm on a roll, y'all. Anyway, this your girl Prina. All things, no niche.